Hi everyone, my name is Gabriela Pacheco, a 5th year student in Modern Languages. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about vowels. As we know, they are 5 letters: A, E, I, O, and U. So that is what we are going to learn from the vowels. Let's learn from them through phonetic and phonology. In phonology, when we produce a vowel in a word, we managed to capture a variety of sound on the pronounced vowels. This is because they are produced by the position of the tongue in the mouth, in the shape of lips, and the size of open jaw. So they are affected according to the change of the shape and position of articulators. In phonetic, each sound is represented by symbols which are in the phonetic alphabet. At the same time, this sound can be divided into front, central, and back vowel sound. In this opportunity, I will only present the front vowel sound. Let's start with the sound E. To produce this sound, it is necessary to pat the articulators correctly. Then the lips are pat in a tense smile position. The jaw completely raised, and finally the tongue must be high near the roof of the mouth. Its characteristics are tense high front rounded. This sound can be found at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. For example, at the beginning, eat, ill, east, easy, eat, even, equal, eagle, eager, either. In the middle of word, mean, need, keep, deep, seal, leave, list, seen, please, plies, and at the end, he, be, key, eat, fee, three, and knee. Now the sound E. This sound is very similar to the first one, but to articulate the lips must be relaxed and slightly parted. The jaw lower than for the sound E, and the tongue high but more lower than for E. Its characteristics are relaxed high front around the vowel. This sound can be found at the beginning, in the middle of the word, but it doesn't occur at the end of the word. For example, this is the word and this is the phonetic transcription. Is, ill, ink, instant, if, eat, int, it, into, issue. In the middle of the word, pin, miss, listen, little, lift, simple, timid, give, winter, minute. Now we have the sound A. To produce this sound, the lips must be spread and rounded. The jaw rise with the tongue closed slightly and produce A. Its characteristics are my from a rounded tense. This sound can be occur at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. I'm going to give you some examples. These are some examples at the beginning of the word. We have eight, ape, age, apron, aim, ale, able, ache, eight, and April. Same, lame, came, and paper. Lake, date, table, place, break, and paint. At the end of the word, we have way, say, day, and wave. Also, late, made, Dave, obey, away, and stay. Is the opportunity from the sound I. To articulate, you must pat the lips slightly spread and rounded, the jaw more open than in the sound A, and the tongue high near the roof of the mouth. And also, I'm going to give you its characteristic. It lacks my from a rounded vowel. Here I have some example of the word with the sound I. For this sound can be found at the beginning and in the middle of the word, but it doesn't occur at the end of the word. For example, at the beginning, we have any, and, a, edge, else, every, effort, and elephant. In the middle of the word, we have bed, nest, west, and rest. And also bent, many, bread, fence, present. To continue, we have the sound a. This sound is produced by parting the lips extended, the jaw more open than when the sound I, and the tongue near the floor of the mouth. And its characteristics are low from around the vowel. For the sound a. Here there are some examples. And let me tell you that this sound is similar to the others because this sound appear at the beginning and in the middle of the word, but it doesn't occur at the end. For example, we have this example at the beginning. Am, and, ask, apple, after, actor, angry, and animal. And in the middle of the word we have cap, map, have, back, happy, rapid, black, last, classroom. To finish, we have the sound a. During its articulation, the lips should be completely separate in a yawning position, the jaw lower than in the other sound, and the tongue flat on the floor of the mouth. And its characteristics are low, central, or front a rounded vowel. I'm going to give you some example with the sound a. This sound occurs at the beginning and in the middle of the word, but doesn't occur at the end of the word. For example, at the beginning, we have at, arm, are, arch, honest, auction, artist. And in the middle of the word we have tap, cut, luck, sharp, and wasp, watch, block, march, racket. And this is the sound of